These amazing 3D websites were created entirely without coding. With the help of no-code tools and AI, you can build your own $20,000 website using just 3 simple tools. How? Step 1. Build the website. Choose a sitemap and wireframe builder. The first tool allows you to create sitemaps and wireframes for your website in under a minute. A sitemap includes all the pages on your website, while a wireframe defines the sections within each page, such as text, buttons, and images. The platform, called Wireframe, enables you to generate an entire sitemap with a single prompt in just seconds. All you need to do is describe your company briefly, like Roof Ninjas, a roofing company based in New Jersey. Once you input this, the platform builds out the homepage and suggests additional pages for your site. As you zoom in, you'll notice that it creates various sections for the homepage, and you can easily rearrange or remove them. Additionally, it provides options for generating content for pages such as a blog, complete with a blog post section. Step 2. Customize the wireframe. What I'm about to show you will definitely impress you. By clicking on the wireframe option at the top, it will instantly create all the pages in real time. In just seconds, it not only builds each section, but also fills in the copy for each of those sections. Just like that, all the pages are ready. If we zoom in, you'll notice that it's not just adding sections, but also including copy and space for images. This is only the primary step. If you don't like the header image, you can easily replace it with another component from the available options, and it will update live with AI. Now, you can adjust the wireframe, change the copy, and customize everything to your liking. The exciting part is that in just minutes, you can build out the entire website using no-code tools. Step 3. Transfer to Webflow. Once we're satisfied with the design, we can go to the top right, click the buttons, and transfer it to Webflow, a no-code website builder that lets you easily drag and drop elements to create stunning websites. After copying the design, we paste it into a Webflow project. It will prompt us to clone the style guide, which includes the overall look and feel of the site we've just created, and also ask us to download a plugin to make the building process smoother. Once we click Clone, a new project is created in Webflow. I'll click Create Site, name it We Are No Code's Fantastic Site, and open it in Webflow. To check if it worked, I'll click and see the style guide. Then, I'll go back to my project, copy the Webflow code, enter Webflow, delete the default wrapper, and paste the new code. This action instantly generates the entire homepage, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, creating a fully functional website without writing a single line of code. Step 4. Enhance the design with animations and interactivity. Now, we've got a beautiful website, but it's essentially static for now. To elevate it into a high-end site, the next step is adding some stunning animations, and once again, no coding is required. Enter Spline, a 3D collaboration platform that lets you design and integrate elements into your Webflow projects. Once logged in, you can either create new designs or use existing ones from the library. Let's import one into our project. Once in Spline, you have an interface to customize the design. I'm going to quickly select the animations I want, maybe turn off the zoom effect, and update the public URL after making changes. Then, I'll copy the link and head over to Webflow to add the element to my project. After pasting the link, we realize the background is too small. No worries, we'll return to Spline, adjust the settings, and update the design. Once it's fixed, we export again, copy the updated link, and paste it into Webflow. Now, when we preview it live, we see the 3D model moving with the mouse, adding a premium touch to the website. This is the kind of detail that really elevates the site's feel. Step 5. Refine content and visual. With no coding required, you've created the initial version of your website. To elevate it to a $2,000 website, you'll need to make some enhancements. Start by adding your logo, incorporating high-quality images, and integrating 3D models that move and adjust as users scroll through the page. 3D animations offer many possibilities to enhance the user experience. You can also customize the styling by adjusting the style guide, including individual UI elements like buttons. For example, changing one button style will automatically update it across the entire project. Additionally, you can incorporate various apps to extend your site's functionality, transforming it from a basic $5,000 website to a more sophisticated $20,000 3D website. Step 6. Create a portfolio. Once you've built your website, the next step is attracting clients. Start by creating a strong portfolio website to showcase your work. This gives potential clients a tangible example of your capabilities when you approach them. To find clients who can afford a $20,000 website, focus on businesses that have the budget. One way to identify such businesses is by using a platform like BuiltWith, which helps you discover websites built on outdated software. After compiling a list of companies generating over $1 million annually with underwhelming websites, research key contacts within the company, particularly in the marketing department, on LinkedIn. For smaller businesses, direct outreach on LinkedIn could be effective. You can offer feedback on their website by recording a brief video showing areas for improvement. At the end of the video, introduce your services and highlight a stunning website you've built using Webflow, no-code tools, and AI. Step 7. Pitch the website and services. To sell a $20,000 website, it's essential to provide full support, which means being responsive to the client's needs. Once a client agrees to work with me, I would promptly offer them either a monthly or hourly retainer for any ongoing revisions or updates they may require. And that's how you can build and sell a high-end website with no code and AI. Now, if you are a young adult who is wired to their laptops, this can be a great opportunity for you. I get it. Taking the leap into offering a $20,000 website might feel risky, especially when you're just starting out, but the potential rewards are huge. Don't hesitate. Start today, and you might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest risk you've ever taken in your career or business, and how did it pay off? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you're ready to explore and earn from high-end web design and unlock those big rewards, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips and strategies on turning your skills into a profitable business. Up next, what if you can make money through the power of your phone? Stay tuned for more videos like this.